In this tutorial I'll show you the way as to how you can delete your Twitter account permanently. First, just go ahead and launch the Twitter application. Tap on the profile icon which you see on the top left corner of the screen. Just go to the one that says Settings and Support. And here go to the option that says Settings and Privacy. Go to the option called Your Account at the very top. Go to the bottom option that says Deactivate Account. Now you might say that this is the option to deactivate, but that's not the case here. If you deactivate your account now, it is going to remain deactivated for 30 days from now, and after that your account is going to be permanently deleted, which means you have 30 days before you can reactivate it. After that time your account is going to be permanently deleted and all of your data is going to be removed from the Twitter. Now simply just tap on the deactivate button, enter your password and leave it for 30 days, and after that it's going to get deleted.